Hi, this is Jennifer Brown from Arthur Law Firm in Defiance, Ohio, with today's Ask Arthur. Arthur Law Firm is the largest personal injury law firm in the six-county area, and we've been serving personal injury clients for over 50 years. And oftentimes, people will ask me as to their property damage claims, how do I make the adjuster pay the fair value for my vehicle? And I usually talk to them and I usually find out that they have a vehicle loan and that the amount the adjuster is offering them for their property damage doesn't pay off their loan. And so they can't accept the offer because they have an amount in excess of that in their loan. And I explained to them to look for two things. First, is there any gap coverage? So when you entered into your loan, usually there's a box or a section that says gap coverage. And gap coverage is meant to cover the amount of difference between the fair market value of your vehicle and the amount that's still on your loan. If you have not elected gap coverage and it's not available to you, then we would look for things such as how to maximize the value of your vehicle, maybe with the assistance of an attorney, or on your own. You could go to Kelley Blue Book or NADA and maybe your local dealership to get estimates to show that their estimated value is a little low. But in the case where there's a deficiency, and even with the best appraisals, you still have a difference between what is owed and the fair market value of your vehicle. A lot of my clients end up rolling the deficiency into a new vehicle. Not ideal, but is a method to get back on the road, or paying the deficiency out of pocket themselves. Like hearing about legal topics? Comment below on any topic you would like to hear from. This is Jennifer Brown from Arthur Law Firm, where we are passionate, we are professional, and we are personal. Have a great day.